Hello friends, I'm Muskan. I hope you all are doing well. Today we will learn about TypeScript and I will gonna start TypeScript series for you. And in this series we will all learn about TypeScript only. So let's discuss what is TypeScript. TypeScript is a programming language developed by Microsoft. It is open source object oriented programming language and TypeScript is a strongly typed language and its first version was introduced in 2012. It is strict superset of JavaScript, which means anything that is implemented in the JavaScript can be implemented using TypeScript along with the choice of adding enhanced features. So next question is TypeScript needed for our projects? So it is basically designed mainly for large scale projects. What does TypeScript offer? First, this is static type checking. Second, class based objects. Third, modularity. Fourth, it has ES6 features, and TypeScript provides syntax which is closer to Java and other high level languages. TypeScript will provide great value to your projects. You will save many hours of debugging by using TypeScript. Let's see some advantages of using TypeScript. So, TypeScript is self documented. When you start writing types of variables and functions in your code, you are documenting what values you expect in those components. It becomes easy for other developers to understand your code better. Second, refactoring becomes easy. Like whenever you make any mistakes like providing wrong values to variables or passing wrong argument to functions, TypeScript will give you an error so that you can correct your mistakes before running the application. Third one is easy debugging. Debugging the code becomes a lot easy with TypeScript because you have all the types documented in code itself. Next one is valid output. If you have written a valid TypeScript, then you can confidently say that it will generate a valid JavaScript output. You don't get the same level of confidence with JavaScript. Text editor or IDE will also help you. TypeScript can integrate with all the editors and IDE. This allows your editor to use TypeScript definitions and autocomplete the code. Next one, it becomes easy to think and grow. By defining types for the variables and functions, you get a structure of entire application. It helps you to think better in terms of scopes and the context of whole application. It can be adopted easily for sure. TypeScript is not a whole new language. If you're already familiar with JavaScript, then you can easily learn TypeScript. So these all are the advantages. Now let's check out the disadvantages also, because everything will come with advantages and disadvantages. So here are some disadvantages also. First one is more dependency need to be managed. You have to add types for each object. You have to create and keep these type in mind while assigning values to it. Next one is new syntax. TypeScript is not a whole new programming language, but still it comes with some new syntax. So you have to adapt it and it takes some time to get used to it. Next is time consuming. You get many benefits by writing types for object, but it also very time consuming compared to plain JavaScript. Next one is lack of knowledge. JavaScript is used more than TypeScript, so there are some people who really don't know the TypeScript, so they have to learn TypeScript. With all these advantages and disadvantages, TypeScript still provide great value to your project. So you must use TypeScript in your projects. In next video we will learn how to install TypeScript and use it in your project. Thanks for watching. If you like my work, please do like, share and subscribe.